Wanna know how to add patterns in FL Studio the easiest way? No worries, in this video, let's learn how to do it. So first up, make sure you have FL Studio opened. Then, go towards this plus icon that is located right under here. It may seem a little hidden. Click on the plus icon and your pattern will emerge. Name the pattern anything you want. Let's name it FL Studio. Here you can test it with colors as well. I have various colors, select accept and then just click enter and bam, your new pattern has been set as easy as that. You can do it multiple times for the same one and that's it. You can open it through the channel rack, add some bits and then just create one. It's as simple as that. Also, instead of pressing the plus button over and over again, you can simply just press F4. This will create a new pattern easily. And that's it. I hope this video helped. If it did, make sure to like, subscribe and tune in with us for more related videos. See you in the next one.